Deep at the center of my being, there's an infinite well of gratitude. I now allow this gratitude to fill my heart, my body, my mind, my consciousness, my very being. This gratitude radiates out from me in all directions, touching everything in my world, and returns to me as more to be grateful for. The more gratitude I feel, the more I am aware that the supply is endless. The use of gratitude makes me feel good. It is an expression of my inner joy. It is a warm fuzzy in my life. I am grateful for myself and for my body. I am grateful for my ability to see and hear, feel and taste and touch. I am grateful for my home and I take loving care of it. I am grateful for my family and friends and I rejoice in their company. I am grateful for my work and I give it my best at all times. I am grateful for my talents and abilities and I continually express them in ways that are fulfilling. I am grateful for my income and I know that I prosper wherever I turn. I am grateful for all my past experiences, for I know that they were part of my soul's growth. I am grateful for all of nature and I am respectful for every living thing. I am grateful for today and I am grateful for the tomorrows to come. I am grateful for life now and forevermore. I am grateful for life now and forevermore.